What are the 5 most stupid things to do during an earthquake that will get you killed? Hi, I'm Dave Smith. I'm a military survival instructor and I want to teach you about earthquakes. Now, I moved from the UK to the USA and I currently live in Nevada about 18 months ago. One of the things that myself and my wife were concerned about moving out here was earthquakes, because it's not something that really happens in the UK. So, as a survival instructor, I researched the life out of this. I now know everything there possibly is to know about earthquakes. I know way more than I should. And I've used my survival background, so now I am absolutely 100% fully prepared. But I have a mission that I want to share with you. I want to make sure 1 million people are fully prepared for whatever comes their way. As part of this, I'm going to talk to you now about what are the 5 most stupid things to do during an earthquake that will get you killed. Number 1 then, don't stand next to windows, under lights, beside pictures, anything that's going to fall and become a hazard to you. The reason you don't stand next to windows: when the ground moves, the house could walk and you'll end up with the windows explosively shattering, covering you in glass. Don't stand under light fittings. If they fall off the ceiling, off the wall, they're going to hit you in the head. It's going to damage you. Pictures, exactly the same thing. Basically anything that can become a hazard, do not stand next to it when the shaking's going on. And absolutely do not use elevators if you're in a building. You will end up trapped. Number 2, do not hide in doorways. This is probably one of the most frustrating rumours that's floating around about what to do in an earthquake. If you've seen a modern house being built, you'll realise very quickly they're made of wood. There is nothing structural inside a building. Load-bearing walls, yes, but internal doors, all they are is wood. Number 3 then, people run outside when the shaking is going on. Please, 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 do not do this. Earthquakes don't kill people, buildings do. You run outside, roof tiles fall off the roof, fall 30, 40 feet and hit you square in the head. At best, you're going to end up with a serious injury. At worst, that will be it. You will be dead. Do not do it. Stay inside until all shaking stopped. Number 4, if you're in your bed, do not get out of bed. Curl yourself up in the smallest ball you can. Put a pillow over your head, hold it there and stay there until all shaking stops. Once the shaking stops, get up, get out. Number 5, if you're in the car, do not drive over or under bridges and certainly do not enter any tunnels. If you're on one of these, remove yourself as quickly as you can. The reason being, the earth, if it moves, it cracks and you're on a bridge, there could be structural damage or you can get trapped in a tunnel. That's the 5 most stupid things to do during an earthquake. Please share this if you enjoyed it and please join my Facebook group, Plan Once, Plan Right.